Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ram 3500 Tradesman. Coming in this nice white coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter turbodiesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with that extremely long box. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch receiver, backup camera, we do get a hard folding tonneau cover, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, and they are extended so you can access your bed. Got some nice black trim, heated door mirrors, they are trailer tow as well with lights on the side, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front, got that aftermarket hood or bumper right here with front park sensing. We also get some nice aftermarket LED lights with recovery hooks and that nice Ram grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior. We also do get your 6 additional seat right here, little storage, rear vents, cup holders, and a nice folding rear bench seat so you can have storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, all that jazz. You got all your lights for your mirrors just right there as well, which is pretty handy. Lights here, aftermarket light. Got your 115 volt outlet, hood, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 33,377 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your cruise control, gears, toggle-free screen, voice and phone. And looking here, we got a digital speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, trailer tow info, audio, messages, screen setup, and all that fun. To my right, we got our center console with 3 cup holders or storage here with a 12 volt or USB, your 6 additional seat with some storage below right here, which is pretty nice. You got your trailer brake, your engine brake, tow and haul mode. You got some outlets here and some storage, which is pretty nice. 115 volt outlet, 4-wheel drive. You got your climate controls with dual climate up front, tune, screen off, traction, hazards, mute, volume, storage below and above, and on the dash with a nice 12 volt. We do get a lovely powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy, as well as assist, SOS services, and our infotainment system that does come equipped with navigation. We're going to go home real quick. You can customize these widgets however you like. You got your navigation and audio, so we're going to go into our media real quick, where we do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. Got your climate controls up here as well. Your phone controls, vehicle info, you can hit your rear camera, pretty high definition so you can see what you're doing, and any apps you may download will show up in these little folders. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE96305A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.